Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to write a program in Microsoft Small Basic to calculate mathematical tables. First of all, we will take a number or input a number from the user whose table he wants. The command for inputting a number is text window dot write enter a number the user will enter a number. We will store that number in a variable. We can have any name for the variable. I am just keeping num. Num is equal to the command for storing the number in the variable is text window dot read number. Now we will calculate the table. We have to use a loop since the table will go from 1 to 10 or 1 to 20 or how much you want. I will use a for loop. For now here we have to take a counter. Again you can have any name for the counter. I am taking the name counter. Counter is equal to 1 to 10 because normally we display tables or write tables from 1 to 10. Now we have to multiply this num whose table we want to calculate with the counter, like 7 ones, 7 multiplied by 1, 7 multiplied by 2, 7 multiplied by 3, like that. The product we have to again keep in a variable. This variable again you can have any name. I'm taking the name table is equal to num multiply by counter. We have calculated the table. Now we will print this. For printing, the command is text window dot write. This time we will use write line. The difference between write and write line is after printing the string, the write in write command, after printing the string, the cursor will stay on the same line, while in write line, after printing the cursor will move to the new line. Since we have to print every multiple on a new line, so we'll use this one, write new line. Now our table is in this variable table. Just end the loop, the end for. We will test our program. Enter a number whose table you want. Suppose I want table of 7. Now you can see these are all multiples of 7 from 1 to 10. Normally when we write a table, it is in this form. 7 multiplied by 1 is 7, 7 multiplied by 2 is 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. So first we have to print num, which contains 7. Then we have to print the multiplication sign. Then we have to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is in the counter variable. And then we have to print the actual table, which is in the table variable. So just we will print all these here. Now these are more than one variables and strings that we have to print. So we will print a plus sign between each two items which we have to print. Now here this multiplication is a string and equal sign will also be printed as a string. Now I will again test my program. Suppose I want the table of 7. Now you can see it is written in a proper form, but there are no spaces, so we will give some spaces. Spaces will be printed only if they are given in a string. Okay, now our table looks good. If you want this table from 0, you can start the counter from 0, and now if you want this table till 20, say, you can calculate table till 1000 also, no issue. Suppose I want from 0 to 20. So now this is a table of 7 from 0 till 20. Similarly, you can calculate table of any number with the same program. Just run it. Now suppose I want table of 19. So you can say this is table of 19, 19 zeros are 0, 19 ones are 19 until 20. This is the table of 19 from 0 to 20. Hope you understood how to display table of any number in Small Basic.